Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious bagel bread at home. First, let's gather our ingredients. You'll need about 4 cups of high-protein bread flour, 1½ teaspoons of active dry yeast, 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt, and 1½ cups of warm water. Having everything measured out beforehand makes the process much smoother and ensures consistent results every time you bake. Now let's get our hands into the dough. In a large bowl, combine your flour, sugar, and salt. In a separate bowl, dissolve the yeast in warm water. Gradually add the liquid to the dry ingredients, mixing until a shaggy dough forms. Turn it out onto a floured surface and knead for 10 to 15 minutes until it's smooth and elastic. Then, let it rest in a greased bowl, covered, for about 1 hour or until it doubles in size. Once your dough has risen beautifully, it's time to shape those perfect bagels. Gently punch down the dough and divide it into 8 equal portions, each weighing about 4 ounces. Roll each portion into a smooth ball, then use your thumb to create a hole in the center, stretching it slightly. Next, bring a large pot of water to a rolling boil, adding 1 tablespoon of sugar. Boil each bagel for 30 to 60 seconds per side. This step is crucial for their chewy texture. Finally, the moment we've been waiting for: baking. Preheat your oven to 425 degrees Fahrenheit. Carefully transfer the boiled bagels to a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. You can sprinkle them with sesame seeds or poppy seeds now, if desired. Bake for 18 to 20 minutes, or until they achieve a beautiful golden brown crust. Let them cool completely on a wire rack before slicing and enjoying your homemade, perfectly chewy bagels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.